If your game keeps on tabbing up when you go to your other monitor, you want to go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. It's called Display Fusion. You could either get the free trial or you can buy it. So I bought it on Steam for like $8 on sale. So once you have it downloaded, you can just get the free trial if you want to try it out. Then you'll get this. So you want to click on functions and then type in on here deactivate, and then this will come up. You could just type in deact or whatever and this will come up. Then you want to click on it twice, and then you want to just set like some function key so that it won't tab out, so your game won't tab out. So for me, I do control and then I do enter, and then click on OK, press on apply, and that's it. So whenever you're in a game and then you don't want your game to tab out, just click on control enter, and then you're going to hear this noise. It's loud, but you can turn it down afterwards, and then that means it worked, and then your game won't tab out whenever you go to your other monitor.